LineUp honkomo ena yeba abedi. Na until say officially FA no ebewura FA ne system no the word I see use no say ne de bia me cheche mo kyerem no should be possible LineUp. No matter how confident I say and only the confirmed one, you should still use the word possible until say ebewura FA ne system. There are even days ya confirm players near warm up obitime pick injury MA in the frame. The SSL train and no a system now confirmed. So this is the possible lineup, no matter how sure I am when it comes to the players that are starting. As I'm friend possible. Now before I go into that, I have a quick announcement, very important announcement, and it's an announcement that it will involve everybody. There is a new segment coming up or coming on Silver TV. New segment at Eba Silver TV. It's called the KOTOKO Podcast. And this segment, Usware Silver TV, most of the time, me and I address the issues. I sit, if it's a topical issues, I address it. If it's analysis, I do it. Everything. Other aspect I can't say over TV who ye be apart from here mamu news you can news ni na bom de mamu. The other ones I can't only be to say interviews, exclusive interviews, and the other things that basically that is it. And on a type also it was over TV. The rest just breaking the news. Now we are introducing what we call the KOTOKO Podcast. And in this case it's going to be a roundtable discussion. It may involve NIPA 4. We sit on a round table, we analyze or we talk about Asante Kotoko within the week in Seme for 1 hour. 60 minutes in so every NIPA 4 and appear on this podcast. So I'm making the announcement. I'm in Kumasi, so the video will be shoot 2 video no Kumasi. In case if you are Kotoko away trip will be and I go myself, back Ebiasa region, I will coordinate with more regions, Now I shoot to, but most of it shoot to Kumasi. So number na ewasi, Okay, if you're a Kotoko fan and you are on top of issues, this is not a political platform. It's addressing the Kotoko issues from an unbiased point. Don't call the number, send a text. Number no and you're active every day, so you send a text. I'll get back to you, and along the episodes now you should know can invite you to join and be part of the KOTOKO podcast to share your opinion when it comes to KOTOKO issues. For now, about once a week behind a better answer. NIPA 4 round table. We share our opinions, we pick the issues. S players bebaso. For now, I have about 5 ex-players. Aminio Makasa, our Majiatum said they will be appearing on different episodes. For now, they are journalists. Umunim Kotoko that will be appearing. And now, mene Asante Kotoko Echita for Makumako 7. Sweating Komo. Ama almost Wajiatum said within the episodes that I issue to know, they will also appear. So it's old players, KOTOKO fans, journalists. Ebi a debi ani ebe baako, old player baako. Debi ebe me old players mienu, maybe a meka ho plus a KOTOKO fan. Our ten semase or plus a journalist. NIPA 4 we sit and we discuss the issue. So I'm making the announcement. It is new. Ubi a nyebi. So benimina mede bro. It's never done anywhere when it comes to KOTOKO issues on YouTube. So tell a friend. Now share. I'll post the link on other social media handles, but also share Emma Manfu who said Dear Benny, the KOTOKO podcast, which you just can't miss on Silver TV. For now, the plan is that it will be premiered every Friday from 7 to 8. Every Friday from 7 to 8. And I be the KOTOKO podcast. It be shoot 2 video no nearby be premiere with time. The best start here in a live, but for now it will be recorded and premiered. So I channel so say from next week Friday, Jano Eba Friday being 1st December no ye kejana gum eno December ya ebewura mu de ye de ba beka ho e was Obet TV. I believe you all welcome the idea and you support to push the movement to the next forward. Now let's go to them common. Thank you for your time to listen to this. Now before we even move on to other issues, as I see about the Kotoko social media guys number so and say when ya pictures ni biasha konopa, you look at the mranti and kwaya omo afa so no ma show montade no na ntade na akono we hwe run neck na show mase no and we in jacket no ma share gusu with the whole brand na it looks very very nice. And you know even at the time na team no womo elko suga kope, they recorded a video of the team moving and now we share time omote bus no now we share omahofama womo de kwa na efe one or the other. It was a delight to watch and looks like there were a lot of better comments by so let's keep that one in check. Players now could do they spend the night at sugar copper, but when there is positive we talk about it, when there is negatives too we talk about it. So we need to emphasize say mrantiana ho famano womo ediko PM hono na shepa the players no matter relax to be the top and down. Come. This is what we've all been advocating. Say the Kotoko brand must be protected. The Kotoko brand, no, SSC page them to the next level. So credit to the Kotoko management. And kits, no, and jackets, no. There is the green version, and no was meant for the managers. And there's the red version, which was meant for the players. Again, Kotoko camp wear no crown assassin. Kotoko camp wear no omasa make changes in the Kotoko camp wear as compared to camp wear na first no na Kotoko share edikobo bonds the first na Kotoko for no omo kwa is a club TBs but now no it's a very designed one ya decorating the out to say and here kama pa. Moving on, and now Asante Kotoko 20-man squad near Boboso Edimam ya catch yourself Muiz Poate Frederick Asari. Now when you're Prince Adasa, Justice Blade, Enoch Morrison, Nana Benjini Amwa, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed, Michael Che Jamana, na when you're Michael Che Jamana, Rich Molamte, Sharif Mohammed, Eric Zeze, Babayaya, Bernard Somwa, na when you're Peter Aminu Akwa, Eso Akahun. Na when you're Isaac Opon, Steve Mukwala, George Mfege, Kalu Watara. I was mentioning the name from the top of my head. I think it's about 20 miles. So these are the 20 players available at Asante Kotoko camp. Omoho, Muiz Poate, Frederick Asari, Nana Benyini, Justice Blay, Prince Adasa, Enoch Morrison, Sharif Mohammed, Yusuf Nuruddin, Henry Ansu, Rich Molamte, Michael Che, Jamana, Sharif Mohammed, Bernard Somwa, Babayaya, Kalu Watara, Eric Zeze, George Mfege, Steve Mukwala, Peter Aminu Akwa, and Isaac Opon. Kotoko 20-man squad. Now, Yegusu Ayaka Kotoko Nsamuno. It is true, sir. The whole of this week, starting from I think Tuesday, na Coach Ogum any training. On a Monday, no, me catch him Kotoko anye training. No me a Tuesday, no me a recovery nanopa. Then a PFAG for Asante Kotoko. From then, no, Ogum have not been part of Kotoko. Week winning and not only training. As a majority of the times. As to say, I'll bet join because initially me command day and I was thinking, say I'll bet join the team no crap because I know so all your course our Ghana Football Association. FA or more your course be and you can say it's an international course. I think coaches from other countries are also part based on what I was told. Coaches from other countries so ever this particular course maybe in Ogumpe. I think say Ghana have three coaches. I think 3 coaches. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. And I come. But yes, Ogum yeah. So I cannot say whether he would cause number winning that, because he was supposed to meet the team in Accra. That's what I know. He was supposed to meet the team in Accra. But I no pay me didn't come on call camp and go home say and also ni ho. Okay, and the match is at 3 p.m. So let's wait and see. Maybe at time Sona may confirm lineup, because I'm still waiting for. As at this time, I'm recording video. I'm pre-match, so I'm still waiting for a report from Sugakope. But I can tell you, say it is almost 70%. Sahana Ogum and Tana bench. From for what I'm picking, the best 70% Sahana Ogum and Tana bench. KOTOKO game on the ball against Legon Cities. It's the likelihood that opinion a friend David Oklu, assistant coach, on Imoro mo and a was and a sorry mo and a Ebeye Juma Ediama Asante Kotoko as the men on the bench. Them guys 70% Ogum will not be on the bench. By the time maybe about 1-2 more, we can give it a confirmed news based on the free Sugakope ever. Till the encore lineup muna ye hu de senior beyense. KOTOKO training no pre-match best started at 10. At this time I may shoot 2 video no pre-match enyan started. So one or the other no enya botre we take our time to deal with these issues. But moving on and focusing on what is at hand. Dalad Ibrahim they may confirm mama say injury into Dalad and me and make it the squad. For the other players, most of them they did not make the squad because of which the son is son. Or who say a soldier will feel no because but no taboo name and me and make it the squad. A lot of people ask questions. Will be a branch friend Dalad Ibrahim, which a injury and your BBR pra into on count. Now to the substantive issue, the last starting 11. From training grounds, Coach Ogum highly impressed with the 3-back system from training grounds. Now, Augustine Japan use Samuel Asamoah and Fuseni Sakusu Pra into Nomonka team. Now, Coach Nihune said, with 3-back system, fix the fundamental problems in his team. For instance, he was impressed with how Infegi operated on the right wing back position and how Morrison operated on the left wing back position, and how Blay eventually winning man of the match together with Henry Ansu and Abrantia, your friend Yusuf Nuruddin. So from training, that and now the other 2 no and one or they two for the match against Legon Cities. He's going with a 3-back system and he's going with the wing backs to operate. Now the middle 3 looks static. Middle 3 looks static. Last week, training na coach ne it was middle 3 because that time na KOTOKO process Baba Yaya Honeyoma na do a point that they believe Baba betimi abo against team and a friend Midiama. So the middle 3 was going to be Baba Yaya, Richmond Lamte, and Abrante friend Sheriff Mohammed. That was for last week. But last minute news neighbor said a honor issue on Nazese Ebeka Lamte home fin. Then he had Kalu and Mukwala leading the attack. Now from what I'm picking, it looks like Sam middle no, the coach will maintain that trainer in the middle. Probably Baba Yaya coming from the bench. And then he flew over Medema. So there is the likelihood that he will start Baba from the bench and unforcing him Fanimbi Wuremu Prekope. And the front 2 of Kalu and Steve Mukwala. That is the Ameme Saka Amede Emma Sheshe. Based on a year training report Medebai and I could pee on Yensakan. Yashamobo Ewasobe TV said we will not talk about the training report again before a year or during the week. They say training report and they decided to say we only talk about training report on the day of the game. And yes, sir, yenka training report once. Ye boy ni na jedi aprem. But before